Android phone has no sound? Fix it today. Check the volume level. Press the volume up button and check if the volume slider appears on the screen. Increase the volume to a higher level. Now, play a video to check if the sound is working again. If there's still no sound, disable Do Not Disturb. While you're still in the Quick Settings panel, check if Do Not Disturb or Silent mode is enabled. If either mode is turned on, tap it to disable it. These modes can mute calls, notifications, and other sounds. Check sound settings. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Vibration. Make sure your phone is set to sound instead of vibrate or mute. This simple change may restore your phone's audio. Check ringtone settings. While you're still in sounds and vibration, make sure a media volume, call volume, and other audio tones are selected. You can also increase the volume for each sound category from this screen. Once you've made the changes, play a video to check if the sound is working again. If there's still no sound, disconnect Bluetooth devices. Open the Settings app. Tap Connected Devices or Connected and Internet, depending on your phone. If your phone is connected to a Bluetooth device, the audio may be playing through that device instead of your phone's speaker. Turn Bluetooth off temporarily. Test sound in other apps. If the issue only happens in one app, such as YouTube, try playing audio in another app like Instagram or Facebook. If the sound works in other apps, the issue is likely with that specific app. In that case, update the app from the Play Store or troubleshoot the app itself. Restart your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap and hold the power icon at the bottom. Select Restart. Wait for your phone to restart completely. A simple restart can often fix temporary software glitches affecting the sound. Update your phone. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap System Updates. Tap Check for updates. If a software update is available, download and install it. Keeping your phone updated can fix software bugs that may be causing the sound issue. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. In the search bar, type Reset. Select Reset options from the search results. Tap Reset Device Settings. Tap Reset Device Settings again to confirm. Enter your phone's PIN, password, or pattern if prompted. This will restore your system settings to their default values without deleting your personal data. Once the reset is complete, play a video or ringtone to check if the sound is working again. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed your sound problem, and that's it.